In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable dictation feature on iPhone keyboard. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up your settings, there hit on General and next hit on Keyboard. Now there scroll down for a bit until you find Enable Dictation. Now that feature is turned on, so if I open up my keyboard, there I got the microphone icon. I can hit on that icon to start dictate. And now you see there how it works. So to turn off that feature, go back to settings and there just turn off dictation settings and confirm that action. Now if you open up your keyboard, there you got no more microphone icon, and that's how it works. So don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.